Hello everyone, I am Professor Shruti K. Dikshit, Faculty of Electronics and Communication Department, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal. This college is under the SAGE group. Today we are going to discuss von Neumann model topic from Computer System Organization subject having code EC504. This is fifth semester subject. We are going to discuss von Neumann model. Before discussing this theory, I want to show this block diagram. This is the block diagram of von Neumann model. Having different units are there. 5 important units are there. Input device, then output device, central processing unit. Under this central processing unit, control unit and arithmetic logic unit is there. Then a memory unit. These are the 5 important units are there. This von Neumann model, basically if you will see the history of this von Neumann model, this architecture is invented by the scientist John von Neumann. That's why the name is given von Neumann model. The another name of this model is Princeton model, the name of the place where this model is invented. Then the exactly university is Institute for Advanced Study. That's why the name is given as IIS Princeton or von Neumann. Okay, so von Neumann architecture is basically stored program computer concept where instruction and both data and program both are stored in the same memory. This design is still used in most computers produced today. As I have told you, this is the name is given by the inventor John von Neumann in 1945. And the main architecture design units are control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, ALU, memory unit, registers and input output units. So this is the block diagram, and these different units are connected using connecting wires, and these wires are known as bus. And the next topic we are going to discuss the what is the function of this bus and what are the different types of buses. System buses under the heading system buses. Here we will see the different functions of this different units, input device, then central processing unit, output device and memory unit. This is the another diagram of this von Neumann model. Here the what are the different types of registers are there. Instruction register, then program counter, accumulator, memory address register, memory data registers. But there is no need to give the detailed explanation of this registers. There is different topic we will discuss under the heading of von Neumann machine architecture. Here only we will discuss the different functions of this device, input device, output device, central processing unit, only control unit, ALU and memory unit. So this is the diagram. This is the scientist John von Neumann. Then these are the buses. In this way the all the components of this von Neumann model are connected. Then input unit, the basic function of input unit, if I want to give send a message, so I will use keyboard. If I want to transmit sound signal, then I will use mic. So these are the examples. So in simple language we can say that a computer accepts a digitally encoded information through input using input device. So these are the examples of different input devices: keyboard, mic, webcams, microphones, storage devices, hard disks, floppy disks and CD-ROMs. Output device, for example, I want to take printout, then I will attach one printer to my computer, then that printer is output device. Means output device sends data to users. Memory unit is basically used to store both the programs and data. There are two types of memories, primary and secondary, or you can say that permanent memory and temporary memory. So this will be RAM, ROM. These are under the heading of this memory unit. Uh, Central processing unit consists of two units, control unit and arithmetic logic unit. Control unit is basically for giving the timing and control signal. From, for example, if I want to read, means read the instruction from memory, so memory read, memory write, so these are the different control signals are used. um, then arithmetic logic unit for different addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, arithmetic operations, then and or operation, logical operations. This is the basic purpose of arithmetic logic unit. As I have told you, the buses means connecting wires between these different devices are known as bus, and these buses are the means by which data is transmitted from one part of a computer to another computer to another part, and connecting all major internal components to the CPU and memory. We will discuss in detail in the next lecture under the heading system buses. So this is all about the von Neumann model, different devices, and we have discussed the different functions of these devices. Okay, so thank you.